Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix volume low for alarms issue on iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to iOS 17 they are facing an issue of volume, that their volume is low for alarm. They don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and looking for a fix, so you are in a right video. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to do is check your volume settings. Make sure the volume on your iPhone is turned up. Use the volume button on the side of your device to increase the volume, or you can go to your control center. From here you can increase your volume. After this, then you have to do is choose a louder alarm sound. In the clock app, when editing an alarm, you can choose a different alarm sound. Some sounds are naturally louder than others, so whenever you select any alarm from here, you can select any louder. After this, then you have to do is disable your attention awareness feature. In the settings, scroll down and then go to Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, scroll down again and you can see your option attention awareness features. If it's enabled, so you have to make sure it's disabled. This feature reduces the volume of alerts when you are looking at your device. After this, you have to do is to check do not disturb. It insecure that do not disturb mode is not enabled. This mode can silence your alarms. So you have to swipe down from the top right of your screen and access to control center, and you can see your option do not disturb. If it's enabled, so you have to disable this. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A classic troubleshooting step. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down, tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Update often include bug fixes that can address issues like low alarm volume. So you have to go to your software update. Check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After updating to the latest version of iOS 17 and after trying all solution and still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to do is reset all settings. This won't erase your personal data but will reset settings like Wi-Fi password and wallpaper. After doing this, you may need to reconfigure some settings. So to go back, go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.